Okay, there it is on the ground. It's a little bit high in the back, but yeah, I got no control over shock height. All I can do is cut a spring a little bit. But that one doesn't work very good because then the shocks will fall apart. So you're pretty much stuck with what they are. Put a smaller tire on it, right? Anyway, that's what it looks like. I put the big seat on there like I like. Like I said, the handlebars are a little off what I want, but close. We have to cut the steering radius back a little bit. The handlebars are a little too close to the tanks. So to work on that. I like my big seat. The fender needs to come up about another ½ inch in the back. These struts are going to have to be re-angled up a little higher. So if you don't do that, you're going to have some tire clearance issues. So probably about 3/4 of an inch might do the trick, but definitely ½ inch more is going to be needed. Probably have to come about 3/4 of an inch. That'll make it fit up against the seat better too, make it look a little better. Oop, avalanche behind me. So anyway, that's how I like it, pretty much. Got rid of most of the ugly off the bike. Still got shocks though, so you only get so much. But anyway, that's what they should look like anyway. At least I think so. Let's see how the seat works. Position. Needs more uphill to it. That feels better. There. I still like boards. Pegs are way up here, I don't like that. Footboards would be right here. Not better. And bars aren't too bad, get used to it. If you're doing high speed, they're fine. Definitely like boards better than pegs. Suspension stiff, as expected. Here's a footboard. This one's for the left side, so it doesn't lock up very well, but usually that will go right here. Just goes right up the top of the exhaust actually. Kind of sits in there, but kind of hard to duplicate it. I don't want to be flat. I want to have some angle to it, so probably want to have it customized a little bit, but that's how I like them. The other option is to put thin seat on it. That one. Which, looks alright, but I like the big seat better myself. This one goes like this. Same deal, I bring my boards right here. I like my legs being straight. Makes the carburetor less of a problem on the board too. You're right here instead of being way up like that. Doesn't bother you as much. Put a little bit higher bar on up here, they'd be about up here. Give it a better bar for comfort. That'd be this one. Pretty wide. So I like the width of this bar, but I like the bend. So somewhere in between is what you kind of need. This is too wide for this bike. So definitely move your hands in, it's a lot more comfortable. So these ones are fairly comfortable like that, but you need to come up just a little bit higher. I like the width. The height is bad. Otherwise you need to come way up here so it's a lot straighter. Depends if you're going to lean into it or not lean into it. So these things are made to be bent, either by falling down or customizing. Anyway, gives you an idea where we're at. Works a little bit. Sport suspension. Definitely have sport suspension. All right, there you go. Which ones do you like? I like the fat seat for me, but the thin seat works like that. When you're sitting on it, you don't feel any of the frame, so I like it better with the frame showing. I don't like hiding crap. The other side of the bike looks like that. I'm not much for chrome primaries. I'd rather have the black one, and I like the earlier style one too, but it looks okay. That big brake's got to go in the front though. It's ugly. It looks pretty good. So not a bad looking bike. Got to put a big ass headlight up on top. That's what this bracket's for here. Put the big headlight up there. But oh well, there you go. Which way do you like it? Lots of different ways of building bikes. So, that's that good overall bike. You can go out and have some fun with something like this. Right, there you go. That's it for this one. Sell it, keep it, store it. Keeping's not in the cards. Too new. 73 is way too new for me. All right, that's it for this one.